All right, a couple of days ago, I told my good friend Steve W. that I would not be shaving at all in November. I'd focus on doing reviews of cars and food and all kinds of crazy stuff. And as you can see, this beard is coming in. But Steve, I have good news and I have bad news. Now, the bad news is I'm going to get out of my little challenge on a technicality. But the good news is, Steve, I am right about to do a review on this. All right, so I'm out doing a review of the 2019 Chevy Camaro SS, and that's for you. But this beard makes me look old, I'm looking cranky, it's itchy, and my kids hate it, right?
Yeah.
All right, come on in. So they're gonna use my favorite device, and they're gonna get rid of Rachel. Say hi.
Hi.
They're gonna
My
get,
name is Rachel.
her name is Rachel, and this is Haley.
And what?
Okay. If they can concentrate, they're going to show you just how easy it is to shave off this crazy old cranky beard with one blade. So I'm going to give them a quick tutorial. Guys, you press this button here. Show the camera. Press the button.
Okay.
Press it. There you go. Go ahead, Haley. All right, hold on. Just press that button. All right, now press the button again, and that turns it off. And what you want to do on your side of Daddy's face, without looking at the camera, you have to look at Daddy's face. You have to shave it up. Now, the beauty of one blade, guys, is, and the reason I'm okay with letting my little girls shave my face is because no nicks, no cuts, no irritation, no nothing. They can have fun and go for it, guys. Just cut up like this. Go for it.
Okay.
All right.
Oh my God. Gently.
You don't have to. Flat against.
Like that?
Yep. Up. Up.
Oh, this is hard.
All right, keep going. Keep going.
This is fun. This is fun.
That's fun.
Oh, wait. I'm so sorry.
Where are you going? Stay on your side.
This is fun.
There's the camera. Let's see. Turn it off. Let's see how you guys are doing halfway through. Rachel's doing okay. And Haley's doing okay. Oh, you gave me a goatee.
What's that?
All right. Where you just shave the sides. All right, let's keep going. All right, now let me just give you one tip. Turn it off. Here's the tip, guys. When you're doing it yourself, you want to cut across the grain, or against the grain, rather. So with your hair growing down on your face, you want to flat to the face, and you want to just...
Oh, I have a lot. Oops, now it's like... What's that? Oh my gosh, I'm doing it! It's so good. What? Like, how do I do the chin? Like, better. This is hard. Yeah. You do this every day? I didn't get a video of you. Did it hurt?
Nope.
Oh, it's coming off.
There you go.
Like with a beard.
Come back.
And the video is, comment down below with watch Daddy's videos. Comment down below what you subscribe to in Daddy's channel.
She's telling you. Comment below, subscribe, and watch and share with all your friends. These girls are doing a good job.
Hey, I won't.
All right. Under there, remember, shave up.
See that? Oh my God. If you can get a gun, hey, don't laugh. Like, wait. I think you're like a man.
I'm a man.
Wait, can you like put like that so I can, you know? What if it like doesn't all come off?
It'll come off.
It's like it's kind of hard to. Does it hurt? No.
Nope.
Can I
Leave the mustache.
Leave the
We'll
mustache.
leave the mustache for today.
Okay.
Don't take off the mustache.
Why?
You want to take the mustache off?
Yeah.
Well, I kind of like the mustache. You don't like it? No, they don't like the mustache. All right, go for it. Take the mustache off.
Oh no.
I think it's coming off. Good. Sorry. Up.
Well,
You should do the rest. You should do the rest of the mustache.
Oh, I think it's coming off. Oh my gosh!
do this part. Remember flat?
Like this.
Like this.
Oh, like that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh!
Look at that, guys.
Oh my gosh!
Okay.
Can we
Then
turn
how
it
do I
off?
get the sides off?
What side?
Like just like.
No, just flat.
Can we turn it off?
Oh, okay.
Wait.
Okay. All right, turn it off.
Doesn't look
I
that
wanna-
bad.
I want to thank my girls, Rachel. Don't do that. I want to thank my girls, Rachel and Haley, for showing you how easy it is to shave with a one blade. Now I'll finish it up and make it look neater, but
Yeah.
look at that, guys.
Doesn't
Two
look that bad.
first-time shavers, right? And took off that beard and in a comical way. I hope all of you guys
No.
are having a great day. And Steve W., I'll be doing a review of this beautiful car for you, buddy. I won't be shaving in November. I'll leave a link below so you can get your own one blade, guys, and you can have your own clowns shaved
No,
for
I
you.
want to say, I hope you have this video. Do Daddy's channel and make a lot of things.
Yeah, make a lot of things. Oh,
Comment down below what you,
all right, she's the
if
sales.
you do this on your chin, you will hurt yourself. And everybody, let's have a dance party.
All right. Thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. We're gonna go eat. Let's go eat. Come on.
Let's go
All
eat.
right, let's go. Keep pushing play, y'all.